Alright guys, I'm Leader Forex, aka No Signal No Entry. For the past few days, I've been receiving a lot of messages from some traders, asking me, the secret to profitability. And from my conversation with them, I realized there are a lot of mistakes that these traders are making on a daily basis. I was once a victim of that situation as well, because when I started my journey some years back, I had that same mentality, and I think it's time for me to create a video on this issue so that it can solve this problem for a lot of traders. Right, number one habit you must stop if you want to become a profitable trader this year is to stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Right, and have you ever looked at someone else's success and you quietly ask yourself, why am I not there yet? Why am I not buying this car? Why am I not living this luxury lives? Why am I not buying these expensive watches? Maybe you have been learning for months, for days, or for years, or you have been practicing every day, right? Yet it feels like everyone else is moving faster than you. And the honest truth is, social media doesn't make it any easier. Trust me, right? And every day you see someone posting profits on social media, someone is buying some nice car, and then someone claiming they became successful trader in just 3 months. And suddenly you start asking yourself, some questions, right? You start putting pressure on yourself, and you wonder if you are too slow. And sometimes you also wonder if you are not, good enough, you are not talented enough. Trust me, here's what nobody tells beginners, right? Trading growth is never a race, right? Trading growth is personal, and the honest truth is growth is different for everyone. And do you know that growing at your own pace doesn't mean you are failing? It simply means you are becoming stronger in your own way. Think about this for a second, right? Let me use this illustration. I believe you all know a bamboo tree, right? And a bamboo tree spends years growing underneath the ground before anyone sees it above the surface. During those years, nothing seems to be happening. People walk past it. Some even believe it's dead already. But beneath the soil, right, the roots are expanding. They are becoming stronger, right? They are preparing to support an incredible growth. Then one day, it shoots upward faster than anyone expected. The funniest part of this story is that people celebrate the highs, but very few appreciate the years, spent building the roots underneath the soil or beneath the soil. You're probably in your root building season right now, and your trading journey doesn't look exciting. Nobody applauds your consistency. Nobody notices the night you stayed up learning, right? And nobody sees the mistakes you've corrected. Nobody sees the discipline you are developing. But those invisible days, those ordinary days, those frustrating days, they are building something inside you. Trust me. Every expert you admire was once a beginner. It's funny, right? Every millionaire once had nothing. And every profitable trader once blew an account. Every successful entrepreneur once made terrible decisions. So the difference was persistence. Unfortunately, most beginners quit because they believe they are behind. They compare their beginning to someone else's peak. And that is planting a seed today, then angry tomorrow because it hasn't become a tree. It doesn't make any sense. Nature doesn't work like that. Success doesn't work like that, right? Profitability in trading doesn't work like that. Everything valuable takes time. You just have to be patient. A child doesn't learn to walk overnight. First, they crawl, then they stumble, then they fall, then they get up. Eventually, walking becomes effortless. Imagine if that child gave up after falling 3 times. We would all think that is ridiculous. Yet adults do the same thing with their dreams. One failed attempt, you start hearing some kind of statements, I guess this isn't for me. One bad month, maybe I'm not good enough, I'm not perfect enough, and you experience one setback. And the next thing that comes to your mind is, I should just quit. No, my brother, you're getting it wrong, right? You are simply learning. Failure isn't a proof you can't succeed. Yes, failure is proof you are learning. And growth isn't measured by how quickly you arrive. It's measured by who you become during the journey, during the process. Some people grow fast, yeah, but they lack character. Some people achieve success quickly, but they can't maintain it. Why? Because success without maturity usually disappears. And real growth builds both skill and character. And character takes time. Stop rushing your process. The world, celebrates overnight success. But most overnight successes actually spent years preparing, right? You only notice them when the results became visible. You never saw the lonely mornings, the sacrifices, the disappointments, the countless moments they wanted to quit. And that is the part social media really shows to a lot of beginners. Comparison is one of the biggest thieves of progress. When you start comparing your journey to someone else, trust me, it's going to, push you to lose focus. When you are constantly watching everyone else's journey, you stop appreciating your own. Instead of celebrating how far you have come, you're obsessed with how far someone else has gone. You need to stop that. That is exhausting. Focus on becoming better than the person you were yesterday, not better than somebody else. Everyone starts from different places. Yeah, some have easier paths, while some carry heavier backpacks. Some climb during sunshine, while others climb during storms. It makes no sense comparing your journeys. Your only responsibility is to keep going, keep trying, keep showing up, one step at a time, one lesson, one improvement every single day. Trust me, some days you will move quickly, some days you will make profit, and some days you will experience losses. But trust me, the days you make profit and the days you had losses, both days count. Progress isn't always dramatic. Sometimes progress looks like, I didn't quit today, right? I learned something new today, right? I made few mistakes today, right? I stayed disciplined and I controlled my emotions. No, those are victories. You have to learn how to celebrate them, because small wins create massive results over time. Think about compound interest, right? $1 invested consistently becomes something much bigger over time. Growth in trading works the same way. There are days of tiny improvement. You have to learn how to repeat it consistently. You become extraordinary. You don't have to be amazing today. You simply have to refuse to stop improving. Your pace doesn't determine your destiny. Consistency and patience does. Someone moving slowly every day will eventually pass someone who never starts. That's it. The biggest mistake beginners make is believing they need massive breakthroughs. In reality, success is usually built through ordinary days repeated consistently. Days you wake up, the days you learn, Practice, improve, rest, repeat again and again. Then until one day, people call you lucky. Can you see that? And you know the truth. It wasn't luck, right? It was patience. It was discipline. It was refusing to compare yourself. It was trusting your own timeline. Listen carefully. Whatever you are going through right now, you are not late. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. Your journey simply looks different. And that is okay. Flowers don't all bloom in the same season, right? Some bloom in springtime, others in summer, yet every flower blooms exactly when it's ready. Why should your life be any different? Stop trying to live on someone else's schedule. Trust your own process. Trust your preparation. Trust the lessons you are learning. Then one day, the same people who overlooked your slow progress will admire your remarkable growth. And they will think it happened overnight. But you remember every difficult day, every setback, every lesson, every moment you chose to continue instead of giving up. Make yourself one promise. Stop measuring your life against someone else's timeline. Start measuring it against your own commitment to improve, against your own commitment to grow, to learn. Try to be patient, stay consistent. And you have to remember this: the goal isn't to go faster than everyone else's. The goal is to become the strongest version of yourself, because when your roots are deep, your success can stand through any storm. Keep growing at your own pace. Your time is coming, right? And that is the end of today's episode. If you enjoy what I've shared in this video, the amazing interesting information I've shared so far in this video, I would truly appreciate your support by liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notification bell, right? This helps YouTube algorithm to keep recommending this video to more struggling traders out there looking for possible ways to become profitable trader this year. And if you want to be part of my Telegram community, where I give out free profitable signals and market insight every week, you can click the link in the description and join now, right? See you next time.